We are now done with the locks repair. The loose hair he had here before, what I did is created new locks, and he's going to let them grow naturally without adding anything. His locks are free-form locks, and the front was did not lock, so we created new locks. All his hair is natural. There is nothing, no extension, no nothing. It's all his hair. So today we fixed them, we did the crocheting, and we tightened up the base.
Um, Hi, my name is Ives. Came to Mimi to do my locks. I'm very happy. It was long time waiting for it to be done, but I'm glad I did it with Mimi. One of the best.
Thank you, thank you. Question for you. What did you have to do first when you came in? Like,
The first thing we did was a consultation to see what I need to get done for my hair, or
how was the
what
consultation?
what I need is check my hair, the length of my hair, see if I have any dry scalp, and check if I have any what type of hair I got. And then from there on, we started the process.
Yeah, question for you. How long have you been growing your locks? Tell me a little bit about your locks.
I've been growing my locks probably like 3 years without doing anything, and it started forming, and it was about time for me to come see Mimi.
Yeah, and the short ones, the short locks.
The short locks, it was nothing. I had just straight hair going back, and I got new locks, and I'm just gonna wait for them to grow out themselves without putting no extension, and hopefully they grow.